Student admin. Simulation timetable. Uzala kule link liqonda yona kunayo ngenela step by step guide for successful online examinations. Then akhona oyasho sifuna ku step 8 lapho la songena khona now songena khona. You agree the terms and conditions. Yasebenza la. Umsebenzi. Ayisebenzi. Nansi khetha le ngisebenzelayo.
Great. Now please select a microphone for your audio feed.
Okay, select microphone. Siyabona la ibhale. Anyakazi mangulu. Kumisa khona ukuthi ayisebenzi. Ngoba basenselective yanyakazi. Yeah.
Next, please enter your full name. And now please provide your student ID number.
Your number.
Next, we need to capture a photo of your ID. Please hold your ID up to your webcam and press the Capture ID card button, followed by Next. Please share your screen by clicking the Share Screen button and following the steps in the preceding prompt.
Share screen button.
You have completed the iris setup process. Click the Start Assessment button and commence your assessment.
The recording has started.
Nansi iqale le record here. Yayigcwalisela yona password angiyifaka